we're in the tropical rainforest, right? And you know, like 10 minutes, we're really nice sweating, right? I'm just cracking myself like fish here. What the fuck are they? Little animals. I'm trying to find some real animals. I think I saw a turtle about there, but I didn't get the camera on in time. And but like everything costs, like the gym's like €5, like as long as you want. But it's at 1. I don't know what time it is. It's just a meet back somewhere 1:15. I was like, I don't know what. How am I gonna know what time it is? Giant clock in here, but like, hey, it's 1. So. Right, I'm probably the first person that I know to do a blog in the fucking rainforest. Oh, fuck, I don't want to. I don't actually know, I'm just filming myself, walking around. What? Let's go. Chris, you look different when I wear glasses.
I know. I got like grainy shit on my feet.
And, yeah. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is, but so like it is really, really warm. It's like a rainforest, like 26 degrees, like, but really humid as well. So like, I don't think I've ever been this like uncomfortable in my own clothes ever. But it's like a swimming pool down there. It's alright, but like the sun's shining through as well, so that's sort of added heat as well. It's like really weird. But what is down these stairs? Let's find out, shall we? I think it's probably the cockroach of running around. I'm just watching where I step in case I step on and I like crap myself and scream like a little girl, which no one wants to hear. I especially don't want you to hear it. It's like embarrassing. That's a building. I mean, come on. It's not even a gym, just a construction site now. It reminds me of our Venus being a bit. The Geordie blokes in Germany trying to fix stuff. I mean, it's all really cool stuff, but like, I don't actually know where I'm going, but it's really cool. Like, just don't under here. But there's big slides that they have to pay for the slides like €4.60 all for like all day slide access, which is a bit of a piss day. Really want to go on the slides, but I'm not paying money to go on slides. When it's like, there's a sorority, I'm working in the sorority. It's just that we're not allowed in the sorority in Australia, but like, I really want to go in. Wow. It's amazing. But I don't really show you because like people naked, so but it's a sorority. We've been in the sorority. But the thing is, I don't know my limits of filming in here, so like, I don't want to perv on people. But like, it just rips on the sweat now already. I'm so embarrassed. 22 minutes and I'm already sweating. But this is just the rainforest. Yeah, I'm walking in a rainforest. Filming in a rainforest. Who can say they've done that? Not very many people. People like David Attenborough, people who do documents. You say stuff like they've walked through a rainforest while being filmed. But I mean, what? 15-year-old? 16 or something. 16-year-old can say that, yeah, me. 16, yeah. 16, yeah. But it's sort of just really cool. I'm gonna go down here. There's like, just looking at a fence. Oh yeah, bastard. Oh, they're making noises now. I've yet to see any live animals bar that turtle, which I think I saw. But bloody hell, it's warm. It's really cool here. So like, probably put the camera away soon and then just go hang a fuck about and then sort of bring it back out. But so worried because any animals jump out of this. It's really funny. Guy there. But we're just getting like, because they said it's like, I've animals, I'm waiting for like a punch to jump and bite me on the ass. One of the teachers has to comment, yeah. Is this Mr. Right? Yeah, so your son's been bitten by a poisonous snake on our journey. Can you please come collect him? Like, no. So I'm going to come get him. Oh, what's this? There's some noises. mess about with winters, yeah. Well, it is pretty warm in here, and I'm sort of struggling to stay alive, really. Just maybe no animals I should capture. Oh, snakes. Just fake snakes there. Didn't fool me yet. But yes, I mean, this is it. I mean, I'll probably get some footage later, like I said, but it's really cool in here. Well, not as in cool as in temperature-wise, but like as in sort of coolness. It's like really warm and humid. Actually, really, it's extremely. And I don't know where to go, so I'm just walking around, filming myself, and there's a bit of just staring at me. It's really funny. But like, there's like waterfall and stuff like that. That's really cool. There's a rainbow there, double rainbow all the way. Still yet to see a live animal or a cockroach, you know what I mean? But I said this would be live animals, but tiki torch people. Oh my god, oh my. There's night, people like stay overnight as well in here. I don't know why I'd want to sleep in this. It's like when I went to Egypt, I was sweating in my own bed. It was warmer. It was warmer than the warmest day in England at night in Egypt, right? But it's just ridiculously warm here. Outside it is warm in Germany, but it's like not as warm as this. It's warm in Germany, but this is just boiling compared to England. And like, I think you'd stay like a little beach and stuff. It's really cool. But like to stay overnight, I was like, why would you want to stay overnight in here? You die of like heat. I don't even think I'm meant to be here, to be honest, but like, it's just cool. So I'm just walking around. Just effing all cool. Fitness club. Ooh. Probably not even meant to be in here, but it's like a giant nice kind of like Rainforest camp. What's this? Probably not going to be here, but like it's beach volleyball, anything. It's beach volleyball. But like, it's sort of sand, I mean, it's got like fake crappy sand, but it's really cool. And enjoying it so far, except from the blistering heat. It's just really, really warm, so I'm probably going to go in the pool there, just jump in there. No regards for anyone else, just dive in there. I want to say I am having fun, but I'm sort of bored now because it's sort of like the effect of it is worn off. Like, wow, it's indoor rainforest. Just the effect is worn off. In 30 and half an hour, the effect is worn off. Especially walking on this ground, it's just like it's really hitting me because it's all uneven, messed up. My ass is sticky. I did not just say that, did I? I did, but just tandoori restaurant. The whole 9 yards. Hiya, how you doing? People look at us now like, what the hell are you doing, you perv? I mean, I just kill us in a minute. I'm just really worried. I'm sure how much we're sad about it. Hello. I'm ballooning, one of them giant balloons, but like, why would you want to? I'm scared of heights completely and utterly. I was just so tempted just to go into the fitness club, you know. Well, not things that I can pass by, but it charges to like sort of electronic band thing. I'm like 106 now, 1096, but it's really cool. Look at this little turtle. Do you see some first live animals? Loads of little yeah, look. They're everywhere. It's like, where's the turtle? Find the turtle. It's quite out. It's very clever. They're also swimming. They've probably been there for like a week now, and like they're trying to move, but they can't. Oh, no naked guy. Ooh, fish. Yeah, pretty cool, but apparently, right up there you can fit you heard it before, but like that way to that side you can fit the Eiffel Tower horizontally, and from there to the bottom you can fit a Statue of Liberty. They didn't think it was true, but the Statue of Liberty is apparently really tall. Probably already been this way, so I assume now. So I'm going back there, like, just drop the camera. Bye. I saw a pretty little thing approaching me. She said, I never seen a man who looks so all alone. Could you use a little